So hey guys, welcome to another trade review. So today I'm going to do the trade review on the 20th of February. Okay, so starting out with the execution. Okay, so right here, you can see I bought around here. Okay, it was a 10 a.m. silver bullet trade. Okay, and for this trade it was a 1-to-1. I risked $100 for $100. Yeah, you can see right here. Okay, right here is when I closed the trade. Around here I decided to close the trade. Okay, and here is the PNL, $100. So it was a 1-to-1 trade. As I risked around 200 ticks. Right here, as you can see, 204 ticks. So it's around $100 for one contract, and it was a Nasdaq. Okay, so let's get right into this review. So now I'm going to run you through the whole trade. So right here, always starting off with my daily bias. As you can see, 2214. I was looking at this daily VI. Okay, I was seeing for price to get above it. Just zoom in a little bit. Okay, so daily VI right here, these two separation, I was looking for price to, because I was bullish, I was looking for price to move higher. But yeah, it was a down day with hindsight, and yeah, I was expecting something wrong. Okay, I'll say why. Because you can see this. Okay, this is a daily chart. Okay, daily chart. Okay, this is a daily chart right here. You can see this is a big this is a big daily CB right here. Okay, very big one. Okay, so this daily CB high, you can see that it's Thursday. Okay, it's Thursday now. So Monday, Tuesday, so Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, Monday was bank holidays. Let me check. Monday was bank holiday, so we will not have a daily candle. So Tuesday and Thursday, so we form a swing high right here, and you can should see rejection. So I was seeing for price to reach higher. Okay, if you see my previous trade reviews. But yeah, I was wrong. It formed high here. Body staying below the daily CB. Okay, extending here. Daily CB. This low of the candle extending here. Daily CB. Okay. So yeah, I was wrong. So body staying below this daily CB, and we have gone pretty high. So yeah, and we have this daily VC below right here. Okay, so price was really, it was really reasonable to expect lower price. Okay, so now going back to right here. So now, as you can see, I was looking for higher price. Okay, and right here, the news. Okay, it was Thursday, and at 8:30 a.m. news, unemployment claims, and 7:20 p.m. we got Trump speaking. So okay, so actually that got me a little cautious. Okay, so I'm not seeing for 8:30 a.m. to move, but it's all about price. Okay, so now let's dive right into it. Right here, okay, so this is a sped up version, 7.6 speed. Okay, so right here I'm just drawing out the midnight opening range. Okay, so you can see London, big drop lower. Okay, not big drop. Okay, we did take out sell sides. We did take out 15 minutes sell side, consolidated a bit, and then start pumping higher, supporting off the midnight opening range, and then start moving higher. Okay, that's why to me I'm like, okay, price can move higher. Okay, but right here is about the current session. Okay, now you shall see. Okay, you can see right here just a short, just a glimpse. You can see 15-minute buy side was taken right here, and it's 9:10 a.m. Okay, so right here I'm just doing my pre-market analysis kind of thing. So as I say, 2214, this which is the midpoint of these two yellow lines. Okay, so I want to see price go higher in order to be bullish. I'm just marking out the new day opening gap, and you can see new day opening gap, buy sides taken, new day opening gap, price was the halfway of it. Okay, we got below it. Okay, so yeah, looking back, right? Okay, 7 a.m. highs, sell buy side has been taken, so price is really favoring to be lower. Okay, I'm looking at that daily CB. But always submit to the higher time frame. Okay, and it's 9:10, 9:16 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. is the opening bell. So I'm just waiting, because to me 8:30 a.m. we have news, 7:20 p.m. we have Trump speaking as well. So for these kind of days, got to be really careful. Okay, and buy sides was just rated, it's too premium for me to buy. Yeah, now I'm marking up the daily CB. Okay, yeah, that's what I was talking about, the daily CB high. Okay, now it's that orange line. Okay, that orange line. Okay, see 15 minutes. Now we are looking at the 15 minutes. Okay, and this is regular trading hours. Okay, so you can see from the regular trading hours point of view, buy side is taken, and then we move above buy side from the swing high and start moving lower. So actually price is Wednesday PM low, so I was looking for price to get down below the Wednesday PM low, to rate it first, to rate the sell side first in order for price to continue higher. That was my thinking. Okay, so you can see Wednesday PM lows to rate first. Okay, so I'm thinking I want to see price rate that PM lows first before moving higher. I'm constantly seeing 22214. Okay, that's daily VICE. Okay, the midpoint of the yellow line. Okay, and I also included the opening range gap of the Wednesday opening range gap. Yep, so I'm thinking buy side has been rated, price can just start moving lower to rate the sell side. Yeah. Okay, previous settlement 22216. Yep, we are around the corner only. Okay, when I say 15 CB balance, means it's really, the price has no reason to move below it. Okay, because I'm looking for higher price, remember. But if price do move below it, bodies close below half of it, then yeah, I'm just wrong. Like I say, okay, Wednesday the midnight opening range is below here. Buy side, 15-minute buy side has been raided, so price can go back to discount first. Okay, which is very reasonable for price to do so. And yeah, Trump speaking 7:20 p.m. So we are now looking at just the AM session, right? Yeah, okay. Looking at just the AM session. Okay, 7 a.m. we move lower, created this relative equal low, and then we start pumping higher. We just keep on pumping higher, and then we pump up higher again, raiding the buy side. So actually, expecting for higher price currently is not really reasonable. Like I say, that's why I'm typing now. I'm seeing two sides doing that. Okay, so now opening range gap has formed, really small one, we fill it up already. Okay, just waiting now. Okay, as you can see, yes, doing the same thing. Okay, we saw another SMT here. You see price started shooting lower. Okay, but I didn't really get the chance to join this short. Okay, you can see we have a immediate rebalance right there. I'll show you what is immediate rebalance. Okay, can you see these two candles connecting together? That's immediate rebalance. Okay, and you see we touched the yellow line. What's the yellow line? It's a daily VI low. Okay, now buy side has been raided. Okay, so buy side raided, really big expansion over, so now immediate rebalance. So at this candle, yeah, we can just shoot over, which is what it did as well. Okay, so you just shoot over and raided the 7 a.m. low. Okay, so now I was just doing some backtest on this. Okay, so you can see it used the opening range gap to move lower. Big wipe up first, 3 drive pattern, hits the daily VI high, then instantly it closes below the halfway of the daily VI, and then it starts breaking lower. Using the opening range gap, touch it, shoot lower. Yeah, I didn't catch, and I wouldn't have caught this trade. Okay, I wasn't expecting this as well. Okay, now I'm seeing for price to get above this fair value at. Okay, if we are bullish. Okay, now is what? Okay, remember the purple color one is the opening, is the midnight opening range as well. Okay, supporting off the 12 a.m. opening price. So to me, in my eyes, because I'm looking for bullish, right? They have reached a discount already. It's took us outside, reached a discount. Okay, and then we supporting off the midnight opening range. But I'm still waiting for fair value gap to form. Okay, because it's going to be troublesome. I need more confirmation right here. Okay, and price is so messy. Look at that. But you see, it's supported. It reached for this separation as well. Yeah, right here. This separation. You see, you touch it right then, it start moving. It start moving higher, but you don't know. Okay, as you can see, buy sides has been raided already, so we can actually move lower as well. Which with hindsight we did move lower. Okay, looking at the, I think, yeah, looking at here. Right here. Yep, sell side is raided. Okay, so right here you can see Dow is really pushing lower, and ES is really resisting off this CB that it formed. Okay, so it's actually not good for my long already if I were to long again. That's why I waited to see how price reacted to this 5-minute CB, and I also like how price went above the 15-minute balance price range, right? But you see ES is still went lower. Okay, that's why I'm saying I'm not trusting hashtag to go higher yet. Okay, as you can see, we just pump higher. Okay, yep, I did feel uncomfortable, like, okay, it's a long, it's like I'm looking for long where price just keep going lower. But there's no reason for me to enter yet. Okay, as you can see, price supported of the 12 a.m. low, a 12 a.m. opening price. And then start moving higher. This yellow line here, okay, 12 a.m. opening price. I don't know if you guys can see here. My mouse cursor 22176. Okay, right here. Okay, look at my mouse cursor, and it started moving higher, only to offer a premium to move back lower. So it went back to the opening range gap, touched the CE halfway of it, dotted line here, move lower. Yes, I could have took the trade like 22176, that's I bought around here, and I sold around here. Let's say I sold right at the opening range gap, or I sold at the order block here. It offered around 22203, which is around 24 handles. So okay, but yeah, I'm not trusting it. I did say, you know, ES was moving lower as well. And you can see ES big drop lower, Dow big drop lower, Nasdaq big drop lower. So actually my bias was totally wrong already, but I didn't know during that time, okay. And we got the first fair value gap. See, price was displaced past it. Okay, that's why it's all saying, it's all firing that okay, we want to go lower, we want to go lower. But yeah, I didn't take it, okay. So yeah, now and then what, we expand past the 12 a.m. opening price and expand and close below the midnight opening range. So much things saying that you want to go lower. Yeah, but I'm still holding to my higher price bias. And now, okay, right here, ES have a big opening range gap. Not big, it has an opening range gap that's unfilled. That's why it's troublesome for my Nasdaq bullish bias, okay. And yeah, that's why we are actually going lower. If with hindsight, we went lower this day, okay. I did got the long, okay, I did get a long, but you know, it was against the bias. And yeah, I quite aware of it. That's why I took my profits early. Okay, as you can see, we are just sinking lower. So let's say right here, I could have gone long, I could have gone short. The opening range gap here, and boom, it went lower. Leaving, you see price, when price leave gaps empty. Like here, look at this CB, it leaves it empty and just starts displacing lower, and all averages are moving lower. That just means it just want to move lower, okay. And it was, like I say, it was reasonable to move lower. Yeah, price is just sliding lower. We got below the Wednesday PM lows, move up, did not support at all, big displacement lower. That's it, we are going lower. Just sinks lower, sinks all the way lower. Okay, now going back to the daily chart, because we have been sinking lower, so I'm seeing, is there anything on the daily chart for me to, you know, look at? Okay. But now in my eyes, in my mind, I remember that time like, okay, price is sinking lower doing the opening range 9:50 a.m. 9:30 to 10 a.m. Okay. Yeah, so now I'm just saying that, yeah, why I go wrong. You see, like I did time out very clearly. You see, and right here, the daily CB was holding price, form a swing high, then it's actually really reasonable to move lower. Well, that sometimes it just happens, you know, you're going to get it wrong sometimes. So yeah, I got it wrong today. So yeah. Okay, but during the, like, for this current session, I'm looking at price directly now, right? I was thinking also, price is really cheap. Everyone is diving to short now. Why? Because you see such a big displacement lower just like that. Everyone is chasing, oh, I want short. You know, all the retails are chasing, they want to short. And you can see, yeah, ES have the unfilled opening range gap. Dow also have it, okay? So when they have unfilled opening range gap, most likely you're going to go lower. So yeah, if you're going to short, right, ES would have been a better short for this day. Okay, right here, I did not trust that. I did not trust that. I did not trust that fair value gap, because I'm thinking price has went way too low, and we have reached this daily BC high. This red line is the daily BC high, okay. And it's a sell side, okay. It's a sell side as well. Okay, Dow is moving lower. Okay, now this is what I drew out is a 1 hour. Okay, a 1 hour BC. Okay, same thing for ES. We can see we have a swing low here and we have a gap here, a BC here. Okay. So yeah, I'm just waiting to see reaction, and we got a order block here, 1 hour order block. Okay, so yeah, I'm just waiting to see, just waiting. 10 a.m. almost 10 a.m. I'm still looking for a long hold here. Okay, daily BC upper 25%. So this red line that I say is the daily BC high. So that's the upper quadrant. But all equities is moving lower, so it's not favorable for long. That's it. But did I put a long? No, I have not put a long yet. But you see, I'm submitting to price. If price want to continue sinking lower, I'm going to let it sink lower, and I'm not going to join in. Okay, like what ICT always say, it's happy to not join this trade because it's too premium or it's too discount. You should never buy when it's too premium, or never sell when it's too discount. Yeah, correct. It's just too expensive, why buy? Okay, so that was the logic in my mind. And yeah, trading to me is about doing all the right thing. Okay, now we have reached the daily BCCE. Okay, we touch it. So how sensitive is price to it? But I'm not trusting it yet. I'm just waiting. Okay, now I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this CB. Okay, if price move up above it, then I'm looking at it as a inversion fair value gap. And now you can see all. Okay, what I like was this. Okay, you see, ES also start moving higher. Okay, that is what I like. Okay, I'm thinking. Okay, we might have a reversal here. Okay, we close above it. Okay, good. Now I'm waiting. Do we get a fair value gap? And ideally, I want to see price get above the 1 hour BC here. Okay. Okay, so now. Okay, here, sorry, this 1 hour BC, I drew it for the lower one. Okay, and you can see confirmation right here is, you see, ES also done the same thing. It bumped up the 1 hour order block right here as well. Okay, here, this 1 hour order block. So we are favorable for going higher now. Okay, so now we got two fair value gap. So what is the rules? Two fair value gap rules. The risk have to withstand the second over here at least. Okay, the risk have to withstand two fair value gaps. Okay, yeah, it was a quite big risk, around 50 handles, which, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was quite uncomfortable with it. But to me it's about the risk. That's why I took the trade. It's about the risk. Okay, so right here I'm risking $100 for a $12,000 account. It's okay, the risk is totally fine. Okay, and I'm going to go for the lowest hanging fruit. That's it, because it's just one contract, and we have been sinking lower, so I'm really cautious here. Okay, but things are looking good for long here. Okay, ES do the same thing, but yeah, I did not like this reaction, to be honest. I did not like it. So I'm thinking price now or never, and yeah, that's it. I was thinking like that. Okay, I'm looking at Nasdaq constantly. Okay, we touch the CE of this gap. Okay, I'm seeing if we get a breakaway gap, which is what I want to see price leave some portion unfilled here. Okay, this is a trade execution again. Okay, I was in one contract. Okay, we shall see how the trade execution was. Okay, the trade is still going. Okay, bodies tell the story. Bodies are still above, but right now I want to see, and price already touched the lower quadrant of the breakaway gap, and we are inside the 1 hour BC. So I really want to see expansion. Price expand higher now. Okay, I was just submitting the price action. Okay, just submitting price action. As long as the price action tell me it's still good, I'm going to hold it. Emotionless. Okay, I'm not going to put my emotion inside. And it's just 1%. That's it. It's just 1% of the account. It's okay. And you see, daily BCCE, touch it. It's a high level. It's a high time frame level. Boom. Sell sides rated. 1 hour on the block reach, and then the 1 hour BC, we are consolidating around it, and we got above it. Big displacement up, and we have been shooting lower. So it's just reasonable for me to go long. Okay, that's why I went long. And yeah, now I want to see this. I want to see price start flying higher now. Okay, shifted my stop loss up. Okay, because I'm starting, I want to see expansion already. Okay, it can come back up and stop me, no problem. That means I was just wrong. That's it. Okay, So boom, higher. Okay, 5 minute CB. This is a 5 minute chart gap. Okay, so I want to see price move higher past it. Okay, this fair value gap here, can it stay open? That's what I'm looking for. And then I'm drawing out the dealing range, premium to discount. I'm seeing for something, it should at least reach to equilibrium point. Okay, so that's why I decided to take something off equilibrium here. That's why you see me take profit here, because it's just something inside a premium. Okay, right here we have a gap as well. Okay, so but I'm seeing they have a 5 minute CB as well, so price can just react off it. But I also like how ES just expanded higher past this. Okay, this 5 minute CB, which is why I was still favoring. It's still good for the trade. Okay, Dow also started moving higher, so all averages are moving higher. But I'm not going to expect it to be a big run, because we can continue lower. Yeah, though I was expecting price to move higher, sorry. And if I had a runner, I would have left it also. Okay, that's it. I want to see price start moving higher now. Yep, what is BC? All these gaps, we leave it open, we leave it open. So yeah, everything in price action tell me we can go higher, but I was really cautious here. 5 minute CB. Okay, and I just eyeballed it. It was around 0.25% of it. Okay, and you see I closed the trade right here, and that's it. I'm good for today. So yeah, for this trade was a really, I would say it's a good trade for me. Okay, so here is just showing you guys how the day went. Okay, so see my mouse, this right here, okay, this candle here is the Thursday candle. As you can see, big drop down lower, touch the daily, say daily BC. This is the daily BC. Okay, so I'm going to just drop a bit on. Okay, you can see touch the midpoint of it. Okay, I'm just going to draw it out. Okay, daily BC CD. Okay, so touch the midpoint of it, expanded higher, so open, touch it, expanded higher. Okay, so and these are the two levels that I was showing you guys. But yeah, let's drop to the low time please. So yeah, I'm just scrolling to the lower. Okay, we shall see how price close. Okay, 4 p.m. Okay, so price move lower. Then you can see it was just actually hovering around. Then it started moving higher after touching the daily. BC, CE, hits it perfectly right here. Started moving higher. Okay, so right here, this is the 15-minute chart. Just drawing out the wicks. And see price touch the CE of it. Right here, 15 minutes. Okay, right here, it's touching. Okay, right here. So, but we look at the bodies staying above it, staying in the upper half of it. Okay, so you're staying above it. Okay, but yeah, we shall see whether if I help the runner, it will be in profits or not. Okay, so I took the trade around here. 10 a.m. boom, it moved higher. We rejected lower. We rejected lower, and yeah, I wouldn't have been in profits if I took this trade. If I left a runner, it would have stopped me out it would have stopped me up with a partial profit. Okay, because I would have my stop loss right here. Okay, I would have thrown my stop loss here. At least below here. Okay, I will have thrown my stop loss below here. So yeah, I would have lost. it will have been a loss. Not a loss, okay, it would have been stopped out. But as you can see, boom, if I didn't throw it too tight, I continue letting it be right here, around here. Yeah, it came real close to it. 10:50, okay, 11 a.m. Okay, it was a 10:50 a.m. macro. 10:50 a.m. macro. Sinks lower, takes out AM lows. Okay, sinks lower, takes out AM lows. If let's say I did not, the stop loss I did not show it, okay. The stop loss will be here. Okay, and then it did not reach my stop loss. 15-minute week CE, boom, sell side raided, AM lows here raided. Then because AM lows raided, it could have just moved lower for this low if it wanted, okay. And we shall see how ES did, what ES did, okay. So we did ES make a lower low, okay, then of Nasdaq, okay. So right here, it's okay. So my stop loss has been still here, almost reach for it, displacement higher, close above this order block. This is balance price. You see we close below it. When this happens, I want to see immediate rebalance. I want to see immediate rejection higher, and it did. Have a fair gap here. Okay, fair gap here. Wouldn't have been, like since price has reached there, right? Reached the daily BCCE. Well, we can go here, go long. Okay, very good. 60 handle stop. 60 handles should have been offered. Like if I take at the lowest hanging fruit right here. Okay, but really balanced, really choppy price. But it went higher. It slowly moved up higher, and then it closed right here. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's trade review. So overall for the trade, it was okay. Like for this, so after that I'm going to put out my trade afterthought, okay. And overall for this trade, it was okay. My daily bias was wrong. I did not force my price on it. Then I did went along. I did profit from it. So yeah, overall it was a good trade for me. So that's it for today's trade review. See you guys in the next